friends, welcome to my channel Ashley Trips and Tricks. Today my mom going to make fried chicken. Chicken 2 kg. Ginger, garlic, chili paste 3 tablespoons. Soya sauce 2 tablespoons. Vinegar 1 tablespoon. Lemon 2 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Mix well. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Mix well. Marinate for 2 hours. Purple flour 1 cup. Chili powder half teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix well. Beat to egg. Dip in egg. Dip in purple flour. Repeat again. And the oil is very hot. Now let's fry. And crispy fried chicken ready. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.